Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by unlocking the device and opening the app list so you can act immediately. Once done, find the app, scroll, swipe, or use search. This saves time. Make sure the app is installed and has necessary permissions so it appears. If it's missing, open your store to reinstall. You're now ready to add the icon to your home screen. The next steps show how to place and customize it for fast access. You'll long press the app icon to enter selection or drag mode. This is the core action that moves icons. Then, drag the icon toward the home screen edge to switch pages or place it directly into an empty spot. If you drop it onto another app, you make a folder. This groups related apps and saves space. Make sure to release only when you see placement preview. Otherwise, the icon snaps back and you'll repeat the motion. You'll finalize by tapping empty space or pressing the home button so the device locks the new layout. Then open the app from the home screen to confirm it launches. If you want tidier organization, rename folders or change icon sizes where supported. This improves visibility. If the icon won't move, make sure the launcher isn't locked, then restart the device or update the launcher and app. If problems persist, reinstalling the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.